So my shirt is like falling apart. I have pulled strings out of it like 17 times today.
Well, that's good.
I know. Do you have a trash can, Mackenzie?
Yeah, it's over here behind this easel.
Okay.
Oh, I cannot find something I even enjoy. There's nothing. I started combining something and I didn't love it.
Oh, for your classroom.
Yeah. Such a problem we're living in. I want a yellow rug.
Is it everything?
It was
Oh,
all
it's
the
almost done.
beginning stuff in the first
Oh, okay.
2 weeks, that first unit.
So then I can always just probably do this every time I want a new
Yep,
module.
Copy in the next module. Or you could copy them all at once and just make sure that they're not published.
Okay. That was my thing, to see if that we'd still be able to.
We also don't have our tech totes at all, right?
Hmm?
Do you have your technology?
Yeah. You need to